Hey you guys, I purchased some really good quality 6-quarter cherry for only $2.67 per board foot, and you can too, because I will tell you exactly where I purchased mine from. Now before we get to the unboxing of the cherry so you can see exactly what I purchased, let me tell you a little bit about it. When you purchase this wood, you don't buy it per board foot, you buy it per box. Each box holds, you can purchase it either 24 inches on length wood or 47 inches in length wood. They are 6-quarter, like I said. Each box has about 45 to 50 pounds of wood in it. That's about 15 to 20 board feet in each box. Each box costs $39.99, which brings it to about $2.67 per board foot. Now, I don't know where you buy your cherry from. I usually buy mine from my local hardwood store. And Jeremiah, the owner of the hardwood store, always gives me a good discount when I go in. And even with that good discount, I can never get it this low. So this is a really, really good deal. If you are in need for some cherry, this is the time to stock up because it's on sale right now, and I will tell you where I bought it from. But first, let's unbox it. Now, here is the 3 boxes that I just received. This is my second time ordering this cherry from them. The first time I ordered 3 boxes. I received it about a week ago. This is my second purchase from them. And then last night, I just placed another order for another 5 boxes because I know that once you guys see this video, you're gonna go and purchase all that cherry and there'll be none left for me. So I wanted to make sure I stock on it. And I heard about this company from Derek Smiley Woodworks. He was kind enough to share this sale with me. And thank you, Derek, for that. If you do not follow him, go check out his YouTube channel. He always has some amazing projects and good deals that he finds when it comes to this kind of purchases. So I'm going to open the first box. The wood is very well packed. Now I have 2 really wide boxes and then 1 more narrow, so I'm curious what kind of width this cherry is. We'll also measure the moisture in this wood. And let me tell you guys, it looks amazing. Really nice straight wood. We'll measure it. So this is my first board. No sapwood, no cracks. Really nice 6-quarter. Let me get a tape measure. So we know all these pieces of wood, they are 47 inches in length because that's what I chose when I purchased mine. And they're just about 1.5 inches thick. This is about 6 inches wide. Let's see what else we got. I hope I get some wider pieces, because I do have a couple of projects that requires some wider pieces. Here is a wider piece. A very nice piece of cherry. Very flat. It's planed on 3 sides. This is the rough side. This is the plain side. This one is, let's see how wide this is. So 47 long, 8 inches wide, 1.5 thickness. Then it looks like a narrower piece. Again, no sapwood, no cracks. Really nice quality. So that is a more narrow piece. That is about 5 inches and 1/8. Here is another wider board. Really nice piece as well. I'm going to show you a quick peek after we unbox this of the 3 boxes that I got last week. This one, it's almost 9 inches wide, you guys. This is the last piece in this box. This is what it looks like. And this one, it is 5.5 inches wide. So let's move on. Open the next box. I also purchased from them Rosewood when they had the Rosewood on sale. I think they still have it on sale. Maybe I'll show you a sneak peek of my Rosewood. Rosewood, I bought it a really good price, and I've been making crosses with it, and they've been some of my best sellers on my Etsy store. So very happy with that. All right. Ooh. Let's see what we got in here. Where is my tape measure? First piece, some really nice grain in this one. This one does have a little crack here in the end, not a big deal, just on that side, not on this side. So there's one piece. There's a wider piece. This one does have a little bit of sapwood just on one side. And it does have one knot in there. Not a big deal all overall, really good piece of wood. The weight on this one, it's about 8 inches. This one, it's really red. So much darker than the other ones. Look at that. If you've never worked with cherry wood, it looks lighter when you first machine it, but then with age, it turns into this beautiful, rich red tones. It machines really well. It's gentle on your tools. It doesn't dull your blades and stuff. So here is another piece. And then one more white piece here. Now this one does have a knot right there on the edge. Not a big deal, and a little bit of sapwood on this side. Well, I'll put this on the floor because my workbench is right now, it's occupied with a laser that I'm reviewing and testing. So that's what I'm doing here on the floor. Let's open the last box. I don't want to waste your time, and then I will show you the rosewood I bought from them, and I will tell you where I purchased it from. So here is my first piece. Really, really nice piece of wood. If you're wondering what I'm going to make with these boards, I'm going to make some flower stands that I'm going to sell on my website and my Etsy shop, and I'll make sure I'll film that and share with you guys as well. Nice, nice pieces. Almost done, you guys. This one does have a little bit of sapwood on the edge. Not a big deal. And this is the last piece. Now, let me give you a quick tour of my cherry that I bought last week. So here is the stack of cherry I have purchased last week. And very, very happy with it. And then I'll show you my rosewood I purchased from them. Here is my stack of rosewood. I need to store it better, but as you can see, my shelves are already full, so I just have to use it. So, are you ready for it? This is where I purchased it from. I purchased this wood from Hardwoods of Tennessee. Now, I've never heard of them until Derek's Violet Woodworks shared with me this source for the rosewood. He's been selling the crosses like crazy. And he said, Skylar, you need to make these crosses. They are such a good sellers, and rosewood is a pretty wood. So he told me about this place, and I bought my rosewood. Very happy with it. And now they have the cherry in sale, so I ordered the cherry. And let's check, you know what, I forgot to take a moisture meter of these boards. Let's do that really quick. All right, you guys, I have my trusted Orion moisture meter. If you do not have one of this, well, you absolutely need one, because if you use wood that is not dry, you'll have all kinds of problems as warping and cracking, and your projects get destroyed, so not worth it. All right, cherry number 50 on my device here, and let's see. And here is the moisture content of this cherry. I hope you can see it is 7.5%. So nice dry wood ready for your projects. Now, like I said, I have no affiliation with Hardwoods of Tennessee. I purchased all this wood with my own money. I wouldn't mind being sponsored by Hardwoods of Tennessee. So if you're watching this, you know, send me an email if you're interested. But I just wanted to share with you guys because this is such a good deal, and I know a lot of you guys could take the opportunity to stock up on some lumber. I hope this was useful to you and you learned something new. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Skylar Ewing, and I'll see you in my next video.